Okay, good day. This is basically the disassembly of a WARN winch M6000. It has been cleaned with AZ1 fuel. Okay, that part goes into there. Then this one has been cleaned as well. We have the carry stage 3, 2 and 1, and that thingy goes basically in there, and this ring sits on top, and this lever assembly for the clutch, free spool or engaged. Okay, that O-ring basically sits in there. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint strip the casings, and then I will respray the casing. What is currently not visible is the two bars which are fitted from there to there and from there to there. Two aluminum spar fixed with those bolts to the gear support bracket and the motor support bracket. They were heavily corroded, it was quite tricky to remove them. And those two rings, they basically fit in here, and this one fits in there. What is to say about this little bugger here, this little ring? On the one side it has we call it snail housing master, this one here, as we can see. Zip. And on the other one it has nothing. The part looks as it can be fitted both ways around, but I will investigate which way around it really will be fitted. Okay, this is the layout. The electrical motor is mounted to the motor bracket. This one slides into this casing, and then the cover is fitted and screwed onto the motor with these two screws. What you don't have to forget is to fit this little rubber sealing first in, and to slide in the stud before you assemble the motor. Those two screws, they basically mount the motor assembly to the motor support.